Right, so all too soon, we are 2 weeks away for the ICAG November 2023 examination. Now, I must say it's been an interesting journey so far in the last 11 weeks, and we have 2 more weeks to go for the actual examination. And I believe that you've been studying, you've been working hard if you are going to sit for the November 2023 examination. Now, like I say always, it is important that you really put yourself in the position where you are focusing on the subjects that you are going to go into the exam hall, write, and most importantly, be able to pass the examination. Yes, you have a goal, you have a desire, you have an aspiration to become a chartered accountant as soon as possible, but it is important that you reduce your chances of being emotionally stressed and going through a lot of pain when the results doesn't turn out to be your way. So before you get excited into the examination period, you want to make sure you put yourself in the position so that you'll be adequately prepared for the examination. So our executive leadership masterclass is starting from Monday 23rd of October 2023, and it's going to be running for the 2 weeks to the examination, and we'll be wrapping up around 4th of November 2023, and you're going to be starting the exam from the 6th of November 2023. Now, it is important that you spend time to understand the key areas in respect of whichever subject that you are writing. If it is corporate reporting, financial reporting, public sector, advanced audit, advanced taxation, strategic case study, and all of the other subjects, financial management, whichever subject that you are writing, it is important you spend time to understand the structure of the syllabus, the structure of the examination. That is going to be crucial in the exam hall. And if you're a follower of my work, I've shared this over and over again for you, and you have to really make sure that at this point you are picking these things one after the other and attempting them in that manner. So if you are writing, say, financial reporting, you know that there is going to be questions in respect of ratio analysis or evaluation of financial statements. So you pick that. Make sure you master everything on ratios, all the perspective of ratio questions that the examiner can bring up, and most importantly, being able to do the calculation and do the interpretation. It is important you spend time to be able to do that. Then you know there is going to be question on the accounting standards. That's 40% in the exam hall. We are going to have a dedicated 20-mark question, as well as issues in relation to single entity financial statement preparation. So you want to make sure that you are formidable in the accounting standards, IAS 16, IAS 12, IFRS 15, IFRS 9, IFRS 16, IAS 36, and all of the other accounting standards. Make sure you are strong in the accounting standards, because your success or failure of the exam would depend on your ability to understand the accounting standards. You know there's going to be a question on consolidated financial statement, question 1. Take that. Make sure you understand the principles very well, and certainly some theory areas that the examiner will be throwing at you in question 5. If you are writing public sector, you know what is going to be there. We have discussed this in various videos. Question 1 is going to be conceptual framework for general purpose financial statement, measurement basis, accounting approaches, some IFSAS issues. Question 2 is going to be financial statement preparation. Question 3 is going to be PFA as well as evaluation of financial statement. Question 4 is going to be public-private partnership arrangement and public procurement. And question 5 is going to be a no man's land area where the examiner is going to be excited throwing anything else that is remaining in the syllabus in the question 5. So whatever subject that you are writing, pick it one after the other. Make sure you understand the scope of the syllabus. Make sure you understand the key areas that will be important for you to ultimately pass the examination. 2 weeks to go. I believe that you have taken your leave, and some of you are preparing to take your leave. It's important, if you have, make sure you utilize the period very well. But at this point, it's a cruising zone, which means that you are just going over things that you have done in the last 10 weeks, and you're just trying to be strong in those areas, find the areas that you have challenges with, and polish them up, solving questions, making sure that you understand the various principles to position you to be able to pass the examination. I'm wishing you all the best in advance. Make sure that you stay connected, because I'll be coming your way with some specialized master classes online where we'll be going through a couple of questions. You will get the opportunity to ask me some questions directly so I can assist you so you can prepare well for the examination and most importantly, become successful. So wishing you all the best in advance for the November 2023 examination. Make sure you utilize the rest of the 2 weeks very well if you want to really go in there and pass the examination. Remember, statistics is against you because on the average, about 70% of students sitting for the November 2023 examination will fail the exam. And there are a couple of factors contributing to that. It's because many people don't prepare well for the exam. It's because people are not able to discipline themselves and allocate time appropriately in the exam hall. It's because some people are too slow and cannot just think as fast as possible or write as fast as possible. You want to make sure that you fix all of these things and put yourself in a right emotional state so that you can go into the exam hall, write the exam, and most importantly, pass the exam to become successful. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one as we continue with our wrap-up sessions for the November 2023 examination. Stay safe and stay blessed.